Hello students, today we will learn a new topic about narration or speech. What is speech? Whatever we speak is called narration or speech. Narration is divided into two parts, direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech, when the actual words of the speaker is written in quotation, is called direct speech. For example, she says, I am your friend. This is your direct speech. She says, I am your friend. We write these words in quotation marks because this is the actual words of the speaker. Second is indirect speech. Indirect speech, when the substance of the speaker's actual words written or said is called speech. जब हम किसी और की बात को बताते हैं कि किसी ने ये बताया, उनकी एक पर्टिकुलर जो we will not use the quotation marks in indirect speech. For example, she says she is your friend. Here we don't use quotation marks. Second, what is reporting speech and what is reported speech then? Reporting speech, the speech that remains without equation marks. In this line, there is no quotation in the words because this is reporting speech. This is your reporting speech, the speech that remains without equation, without quotation marks. Second, what is then? यहाँ पे हम एक और यूज करते हैं रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. जो भी वर्ब इस रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में हम यूज करेंगे वर्ब को, that is called reporting verb. For example, this is reporting verb we use in the words. Next, reported speech. There is difference between reporting speech and reported speech. The speech that remains under equation mark. This part is your reported speech. I am your friend. You can write this like this. We will learn by doing these examples. He said to me. First of all, these are the sentence type: present, past and future. There are three types of tenses where they are present, past and future, and some modal verbs will be there in the sentence. Present indefinite. अगर कोई भी present indefinite का टेंस का आपके पास सेंटेंस है, उसमें डू डज लिखा है, दैट विल चेंज इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. तो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में वो कैसे चेंज होगा? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में चेंज हो जाएगा. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस चेंज इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. These are very simple. Past indefinite converts change into past perfect. Did change into past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect there will be no change. In past perfect continuous there will also be there is no change in past perfect continuous. Next, in future tense we will change will into would, shall into should, and other modal verbs are there. Can change into could, may change into might. These are the past form of could जो है वो could can की past form है. Might is the past form of may, and must have to is the past form of must, and another has to have to change into had to. These are the sentence types which will be discussed in the sentence. Now we will change direct speech into indirect speech. He said me that he, we don't use quotation mark in indirect speech. He can is the modal verbs. Can change into could. We write could. He could meet because could is the past form of can, so that we don't use for third form of meet. We will write like this: he could meet me. This is your indirect speech. Next is Ravi said to me he is my friend. Ravi said me that. जब भी हम quotation marks हटाते हैं we will write that. Ravi said me that he is MR है यहाँ पे तो ये was में change हो जाएगा. He was my friend. Third one is she said to Aman, I do not hate you. Here we will write she told Aman. अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे नाम लिखा हुआ है then we will write she told Aman that, because ये प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का सेंटेंस है, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में चेंज हो जाएगा. He told Aman that she do change into did. She did not hate him. किसकी बात हो रही है? अमन की. She told Aman that she did not hate him. Next, he said to Kabir, I did not hate you. He told Kabir that he did. Past indefinite change into past perfect. He told Kabir that he hadn't. We don't use did or does. We use did, hadn't. He hadn't hate him. Next example. He said to Meena, are you coming? This is the sentence of present continuous. We will change present continuous into past continuous. Right? He asked Meena. अगर हमारे पास क्वेश्चनिंग अगर पूछी गई है तो हम ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का है तो हम यहाँ पे इफ लिखेंगे या वेदर लिखेंगे. आर है इफ शी वॉज, टेंस चेंज हुआ बट क्वेश्चन में मार्क्स लगा, क्वेश्चन पूछा है, देन वी विल राइट इफ शी आस्क्ड मीना इफ शी वॉज कमिंग. Next he said, what are you doing today? He asked. Because यहाँ पे helping verb नहीं है, WH family है, then we will write as it is. ठीक है? He asked, what are you doing? Present continuous का है, तो past continuous में हम change करेंगे. He asked, what I was doing today. He asked what I was doing today. Next we have three types of sentences in narrations: imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, optative sentences. First we will discuss imperative sentences. Imperative sentences is used to order, to request, to advise, to urge. I have repeated the slide. Urge, to urge someone, to suggest to somebody. Next, the example of imperative sentence: the teacher said to Rohan, stand up right now. The teacher, here teacher is ordering to student. The teacher ordered to Rohan to stand up right now. Change the now into then. Now change into then. This is the indirect speech of this one. The teacher said to Rohan, stand up right now. The teacher ordered to Rohan to stand up right then. Second example of imperative sentence. Doctor said to the patient, change your food habit. Doctor, here doctor is giving an advice to the patient, or the doctor advised to patient to change his food habit. This is your indirect speech. Next, she said to her husband, please don't tell a lie. Here, the wife is requesting her husband not to tell a lie. We will write like this. She requested to her husband not to, because negative sentence है, हम not पहले लिखेंगे, not to tell a lie. Exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, we will use this type of expressions of joy, sorrow, regret, applause, wonder, surprise. For example, exclaimed with joy, sorrow, regret. Instead of writing said or said to. First example, Ayansh said fantastic, we have won the match. Here he is very surprised, he is full of joy. That's why we will write Ayansh exclaimed with joy we change into they. This is the sentence of present perfect, have won. We will change it into had. Joy. Ayansh exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Next example, she said, oh, I lost my pen. She exclaimed with sorrow that she, because this is the sentence of second form use हुई है, then it will change into past perfect. She exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her pen. Aman said sorry for being late. Aman exclaimed with, because he is regretting, we will write Aman exclaimed with regret that he was late. Last is our optative sentence. In optative sentence, we use to pray, we use to say wish, we use to say bid. Bid कहाँ हम यूज करते हैं? बिड हम गुड मॉर्निंग कहने के लिए यूज करते हैं और बेड हम गुड नाइट कहने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही सेड गुड मॉर्निंग वरुण. वी विल राइट ही wished Varun good morning. Next, Arohi said to her father good bed. We will use bed क्योंकि bed की third form है bed. We will write Arohi bade her father good night. Next he said, would I were a princess. She wished that, because this is the past continuous का ये sentence है verb, then we will change it into had been. She wished that she had been a princess. Amar said, I wish my friend were here. Amar wished that his friend, because this is also the sentence of past continuous, we will change it into past perfect continuous. We will use had been. Amar wished that his friend had been, here change into there. Amar wished that his friend had been. He is praying for Mayank. He prayed that Mayank, here is we used may is the modal verb, may change into might. He prayed that Mayank might succeed in life, in his life. This is all about the narrations